Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy to see you today. I have a really fun lesson planned today. We are going to learn about sentences. Oh, I know what you're thinking, but Madame, I don't know anything about French sentences. Well, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to say them, how to read them, how to write them. It's going to be a lot of fun. Before we begin, let's say a big, nice bonjour to Ananas so she can join us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas, in a nice, loud voice? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voici. And she's saying bonjour back to you. Anana, are you excited about our lesson today on sentences? Oui, d'accord. On va commencer par choisir une couleur aujourd'hui. Tu peux répéter les couleurs après moi? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Hmm. Did you want to pick the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, let's listen. Oh, ananas. I think I heard rouge. Oui, toi aussi? Oui. OK. Alors, c'est le rouge aujourd'hui. On y va avec le rouge aujourd'hui. So you are watching French with Ananas, and this is lesson 3.14, E-sound. Leçon 3.14, son I. Alors, on commence, mes amis. Ooh, oh, what a beautiful tree. Oh, do you remember the name of this tree? Palmier. Can you say that? Palmier. Hmm. So, what we do when we write sentences in French is we have to add some words. So, Madame added some words at the beginning. This is the start of the sentence. Now, the French word for sentence is phrase. And we are at the beginning, au début de la phrase. And I added two words here, elle and voit. Can you say those? Elle, voit. Now, elle means she, and voit means sees. So, she sees. So, what does she see? She sees that beautiful palmier. Now, when we write a sentence in French, we always have to include the gender of the thing that you're talking about. So, right now we're talking about palmier, and the way to figure out if a word is masculine or feminine is you look at the little one before it, and we see it doesn't have an E at the end, so it's masculin. Un. So, palmier is masculin. So you might say, Madame, masculine, does that mean that the tree is a boy? No, that's not what it means. It means that the name for this tree is masculine. So, un palmier. Can you say that? Un palmier. Now let's say the whole sentence again, all together. Toute la phrase. Elle voit un palmier. Encore. Encore means again. Elle voit un palmier. And this sentence means, do you know? She sees a palm tree. Yay! Bravo! Anana, was it scary? No, not scary. Okay. Bravo. Continue. Ooh. Oui. Do you remember the word for rug is tapis? Tapis. Now, do you know if tapis is a masculine or a feminine word? Look at the little word before it. There's no E at the end, it's un. So un tells us that is masculine word. It's a masculine word. So un tapis. Tapis is masculin. un tapis. Now, can we say the whole sentence? Toute la phrase au complet. Elle voit un tapis. Elle voit un tapis. Do you remember what it means? She sees a rug. Bravo! Yay! You are really getting this. Ooh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Yes, we need these in the winter, n'est-ce pas? Do you remember the word for skis? Oui, it's the same thing. Ski, ski. Now I see two here. When there's two or more than one, we say des skis. So the sentence will be Elle voit des skis. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Qu'est-ce que c'est? She has a question, une question. Oh, Anana wants to know, what if there's only one ski? Juste un ski. Well, then we'd have to figure out, is it masculin ou féminin? And if we were look at the little word before it, we can see that it is masculin. So we're going to say un ski. Can you say that? Un ski. Let's say it all together. Toute la phrase. Elle voit un ski. Elle voit un ski. Bravo, mes amis, c'est beau. Ooh. Do you remember the French word for a book? Livre. If you remembered, bravo. Livre. Now, do you know if livre is a masculine or feminine word? Well, look over here at your little word. Un. Un is masculin, so livre is masculin. Un livre. Can you repeat that? Un livre. Now let's say the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase. Elle voit un livre. Encore. Elle voit un livre. Bravo. And do you know what the sentence means? She sees a book. A book with a beautiful cat. Un chat. Bravo. Merci beaucoup. On continue. Ooh. Oh, this is a big, beautiful animal. Do you remember the name of the big animal? The tall animal? Giraffe. Can you say that? Giraffe. Can you tell me if giraffe is a masculine or feminine word? Let's check out this little word. Oh, look what? Il y a un E à la fin. So this is pronounced une. That means that giraffe is a feminine word. Une girafe. Can you say that? Une girafe. Bravo. Now let's say it all together. Elle voit une girafe. Encore. Elle voit une girafe. And do you know what that means? She sees a giraffe. Bravo! Yay! Good job. Oh, Ananas. Oh, une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Je vais aller chercher mon sac. Very exciting. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Voici mon sac. J'ai mon sac, Ananas. J'ai mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Mets ta main dans le sac, Ananas. Dans le sac. Oh, it's something very heavy. Pesant, pesant. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, tire, tire, tire. Pull, pull, pull. Tire, pull. Oh, you did it. Oh, c'est fraise. Bonjour, fraise. Can you say bonjour, fraise? C'est l'ami d'Ananas. They are very good friends. Oh, did you have a fun time learning about les fraises? Oui, both of. Oh, and Ananas et fraise also enjoyed the lesson. My friends, it's time to say au revoir. Can you say au revoir, madame? Au revoir, fraise. Au revoir, Ananas. And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis. We'll see you next time.